Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to search images with Google using Google Lens. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To search images with Google, go to your favorite website and select an image that you want to search the similar images. Right click on the image and you will find a new option, search image with Google. Click on search image with Google. Look, a extra search bar will be opened here, and here this is the Google Lens, and you can use Google Lens and other options. I'll see you later. I have selected the face. You can enlarge the selected area and it will change the search result. And scroll down, look, use search result, you will find with the similar page. You can select here google.com. Look, this is the Google search. Alternatively, you can use this option. Right click on empty area and click on search image with Google. Now select the image which you want to search similar results. I have selected the image and just look the search result. Look the search results. If you change your selected area, look, the search result will be changed. Look, the search result has been changed. I am changing the selected areas. And look, again search result has been changed. I am changing again the selected area. Look again, the search result has been changed. You can search using this image in your history. Look, now search results come from your history. The search result came from your browser history. Now again, click here, you can use bookmarks. And now the results come from your bookmarks. Now again, click on Google Lens. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.